Hello everyone, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creation by Fabi. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I have a two quick and easy DIY using $3 items, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. So let's start with the first one. I will be using one of those picture frame without glass, also the pumpkin board with double pumpkin, some paints that I already have before that I purchased from Walmart. Also some lace and burlap or ribbon. So first I start removing the plastic, and then I remove the back of the picture frame because we're going to paint the frame. So then I use the moss paint, the color moss, and I paint the frame, let it dry, and then with the pumpkin board we're going to remove the center of the pumpkin, and we're going to save the other part. So now I'm going to use the white acrylic paint or any paint you have. I use acrylic or chalk, whatever I have in here, to cover the entire background of the pumpkin, just leaving the red truck only, just like so. So next I use the Waverly chalk paint just to give you a little bit of distressed look, just like so. And then I put the back of the frame on the frame. So now we're going to glue our pumpkin on the center of the frame. I use a lot of hot glue, try to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere. Please be careful because I did burn my finger. And now with the ribbon we're going to create a bow using two pieces almost the same size, and then with the same strings are hanging in there, and then tying it together. As you can see, I just pull one of those strings and then I just tie it, and just like so. So then I use a little bit of the lace just to put it in the center to cover the mess and give you a better finished look. Next, I use some hot glue and place it on the center of the pumpkin, trying to cover the little hole that was in there, and just like so. At this point, this frame looked beautiful as it is, but at the end I did not like it the way the pumpkin looks, and so I decided to paint it a little bit again and then placing one of those wood stickers on top of the truck. I think with the wood stickers looks really nice, but you guys let me know which one you like better, before or after. So now we're going to start the second DIY, and we're going to use the same board. Remember that we save it for the first project, so I will going to paint it with white paint, just like so, and then we're going to use the wire ribbon, and then we're going to cut a couple pieces just to try to cover the back of the pumpkin, just like so. And then I use a hot glue and glue every single piece of the burlap or ribbon, and then I cut the excess. Beautiful as it is already, but I will be using also some wood letters and then a little bit of antique wax just to stain it a little bit, And then I'm going to be just placing on the center, and then I will be using some hot glue, just like so. Beautiful. Then I decided to use some cotton flowers and some pine cones, but those cotton flowers look kind of too fake, so I decided to use a little bit of stain just to give it a little bit of darker color, because they look so plastic, so that you can tell the difference. And then I just glue it together, and then I just place it on top to my pumpkin. Then I use the stain a little bit again on top to the pine cone, and also on the edges to the pumpkin, just to give you a better nice rustic look, just like so. So that's it for today. There you have it, 2 beautiful DIYs using only $3 items. So please let me know which one was your favorite, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the red button around here, and also hit the bell to get notifications every time I upload video, and you will not miss anything. So see you guys next time. Bye bye.